Allah Azza wa Jal stated in the Qur'an in Surah Al-Baqarah, وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ لَا تَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا وذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وقولوا للناس حسنا وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة ثم توليتم إلا قليلا منكم وأنتم معرضون. Allah Azza wa Jal said in the Qur'an that when Allah took the covenant, the children of Yaqub alayhi salam, to worship no one but Allah tabaraka wa ta'ala, and to be good towards the parents, and to be good as well towards the kinship, and as well to be kind and good towards the orphans and the poor and the needy ones, and to say good things to the people, and to establish the prayer, and to pay the zakat. But what they have done, ثُمَّ تَوَلَّيْتُمْ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا مِنْكُمْ, most of you abandon this, except only few amongst you who stick to this commandment from Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, and while the other ones, they have ignored this commandment. My brothers and sisters in Islam, when Allah Azza wa Jal gave this example in the Qur'an about the children of Israel, Allah Azza wa Jal as well educating us, teaching us to worship none but Him alone Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, and to single out Allah Azza wa Jal in the matters of worship, and to be good towards our parents and towards our kinship, and to be good towards the orphans and the needy ones, and to speak in a good way and in a kind way with the people. And the most important thing after the oneness of Allah Azza wa Jal, to establish the prayer and to pay the zakat. And the consequence of that, if we ignore this, they're going to be as well severe warning from Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. Just Allah Azza wa Jal has condemned the children of Israel on this ayah, the children of Yaqub alayhi salam. Allah condemned them for ignoring this and abandoning the commandments of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. We ask Allah Azza wa Jal to guide us to the right path, and we ask Allah Azza wa Jal to keep us steadfast upon this right path.